Okay, children, we are going to do a interesting, as usual, very useful, very it's like a gaming session. Okay, let's look at this picture. Draw the lines to the match each picture with its blend. Okay, we have to match that each one correctly. First, just read out these letters: trash, moth, branch, crash, brush, punch, bench, splash. Okay, there are a relating picture are given here, isn't it? There are a relating pictures are given here. Okay, let's look at this. Just look at this. This is a brush. Okay, where is a brush? This is a trash. This is a moth. This is a branch. This is a crash. This is a brush. Just put underline here. Brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay, let's find out here. What is this? This is a bench. Bench. Okay, let's look at here. This is a trash, moth, branch, crash, punch, bench. Bench. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Just put a underline here. Okay, now let's look at this picture. This is a branch. Okay, this is a tree branch, isn't it? Okay, let's look for an answer. This is a trash, moth, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Just put underline here. Okay, next look at this picture. They are splashing the colors, isn't it? They are the splashing the colors. Let's look at for an answer. This is a trash, moth, branch, crash, brush, punch, bench, splash. Yes, you are getting the correct answer, splash. Okay, let's try out this picture. They are punching each other, isn't it, children? They are punching each other. Let's look at the answer here. Trash, moth, branch, crash, brush, not punch. Yes, is a punch. Okay, now look at this car. This car is crashing, isn't it? The two cars are getting crashed. Okay, let's find out the answer here. Trash, moth, crash. C-R-A-S-H, crash. Isn't it, children? Okay, now there are remaining two images. Let's go for this. Is a trash. T-R-A-S-H, trash. This is a moth. You find out in your home, isn't it? M-O-T-H, moth. Okay, children, listen carefully. This is a moth. M-O-T-H, moth. This is a trash. T-R-A-S-H, trash. This is a crash. C-R-A-S-H, crash. This is a branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. This is a brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. This is a punch. P-U-N-C-H, punch. This is a bench. B-E-N-C-H, bench. This is a splash. S-P-L-A-S-H, splash. Okay, children, let's go for our next exercise. Okay, children, listen this exercise, children. Say the names of each picture loud. Okay, we have to say the name of each picture loud. Circle the word that starts or end with the same sound as the picture. For example, listen here. This is a shoe, but not here exact word shoe was given, but we have to find out the same sound of the word. Shoe, this is a ship, this is a chat. Which will be the same sound of the shoe? Yes, ship will be the same sound of the shoe. Next, listen here. This is a branch. Okay, this is a lunch, this is a shelf. Which sound will be same to the branch? Lunch. Lunch sound will be the same to the sound of the branch. Listen here, this is a cheese. Cheese. This is a chin, this is a rush. Which sound will be the same as cheese? Yes, chin. Okay, this is a cloth. But here given a moth and chin. Which sound will be the similar to cloth? Yes, moth will be the similar sound. Very good. Okay, she is stitching the cloth, isn't it? This is a stitching. Stitch is a dith. This is a dud. Which sound will be the same sound as like a stitch? Yes, dith will be the same sound like a stitch. So put a circle here. Okay, next, she is a fletch. Okay, which sound will be the similar to fletch? Itch or shed? Itch. Very good. Okay, next look at this picture. This is a fish. Which sound will be the similar? Cash or dish? Fish, dish. Yes, dish will be the similar sound. Okay, next look at this picture. She is chopping, isn't it? She is a chopping. Okay, shop or plug? Shop. Very good. The shop has a similar sound. Okay, we have circled the similar sound of the given picture, not an exact word or not exact sound of the given picture. We just circle the little bit same sound of the given picture. Okay, let's go for a next exercise. Okay children, look at here children. See the name of the picture loud. We have to say the name of each picture loud, and we have to circle that blend that is in the word. Okay, for example, listen here. They are given a line here. Just look at the picture carefully children. They are given a line here. What is this? A chin, isn't it? Chin. Ch. We have to find out the sound. Which sound will become? Chin or sh? Sh. It's not a sh. This is a chin. Chi. Yes, this is the correct one. She is a chopping. Chopping means cutting the vegetable. She is cutting the vegetable. That's only chop. Chop. Shaw. Not a shaw. Chop. 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 Chopping. Very good. Okay, let's look at this picture children. What is this? This is a brush. What is the spelling for brush? B-R-U-S-H, not C-H, because C-H means then it will become a brush, not a brush, it's a brush ish sound. So then will be S sound will be here. Okay, then see here, they are punching. Punch. Punch, it's not a push. If you put SH, then it will become a punch. It's not a punch. Ch, ch, C sound. Okay. Okay, let's look at this picture children. Listen carefully. This is a bench. Bench. You are getting the C sound, not a bench. You are not getting a S sound. So we have to put a CH. Circle the CH. Okay, this is not a push. This is a cheeks. She is just pulling the cheeks. So CH. This is a fish. Yes. Yes sound. Yes. Immediately all of you telling very correct. This is a shop. Shop. This is not chop. This is a shop. Shop. Yes. Yes sound. Okay. Okay. In this exercise we have learned the different sound of C and yes. Okay. The C and yes are not same sound. Yes. The yes sound will be a stronger like sh. The C sound will always be ch. This sound. Okay, let's go for a next exercise. Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Color the leaf. This is a leaf. They are saying this is a leaf with the correct blend. We have to color each leaf with its corresponding correct blending words. Okay, let's look at the first one. What is this? This is a chest. So CH, chest. Not cest, it's a chest. Okay, let's see here. They are catching the ball. Yes, they are catch. Yes, you are hearing a CH sound, isn't it? CH sound. CH. If you put SH, then it will become a cash, not a sh sound. It's a catch, itch sound. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is a ship. If you put CH, then it will become a chip, like a potato chip. Okay, then this is a chip. Yes sound. Yes, H-I-P, ship. Okay, let's look at here. This is a fish. Sh, it's a sound. Yes. H. We have to correctly blending this. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, children, let's do the exercise now. Listen, what is this? This is a trash, not a trash. It's a trash. Yes, hatch, trash. Okay, this is a splash. Splash. This sound is coming, isn't it? Yes, hatch. Then you already know what is this. Yes, this is a brush. It's not a brush, it's a brush. Yes, H sound. Okay, let's see here what she's eating. She's eating a very delicious burger, I think so. She's a munch. Munch. Isn't it? Not a mush. Not a mush, it's a munch. So, CH. Okay, children. Okay, children, let's go for an exercise. I think you already know the each and every picture. So far we have saw the lot of ending words and starting initial blend and ending blend word, isn't it? Okay, this will be a very useful as well as this will be a very easy to you. Look at here, children. In each row, circle the picture that has a blend sound, isn't it? That has a correct blend sound. This is a, look at here. First, look at here. This is a table. This is a spill. This is a moth. Okay, so this is a TH will be a correct blending word. Okay. Okay, next they are asking the question here. Just listen carefully. They are asking what is this? Okay, this is a chin. This is a chip. This is a L. You can say the two. This is also a correct. The chin also a correct, and the chips also be a correct because it's a, it will be have a CH as a blending word. Okay, next see here. This is a, yes, this is a toss. This is a ship. This is a shop. Ship, shop, the both will be come for SH. The ship also come and the shop also will have the SH blending word. Okay, let's see here. This is a catch. Yes, a catch. This is a TCH. Catch, catch, catch. Okay. And this is a, yeah, this is a wick. So we having the WH sound. Let's go for our next exercise. Okay, children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise, children. Please listen carefully, children. Okay, add E to the end of these words to make the new words. They are saying we have to add a E to the every words and we are going to find the new word with have its new meaning. Okay, this is a F-I-V, fifth. If you add E, then it will become a 5, letter 5. Okay, children, this is a F-I-V, fifth. If you add E, then it will become a F-I-V-E, 5. This is a rip, R-I-P, rip. If you add E, then we become a ripe. Ripe, it means the fruit will be get ripened, isn't it? The fruit will be get ripened. Then it will become a spoiled. Okay, next go for the next one. This is a Sam. This is the name of a person. If we add E to the Sam, then it will become a same. Same means similar thing. Okay, the which one you which for example, if you have a box which like your friend, then the box will be the same for you and your friend. S-A-M-E, same. This is a lat. This is a lat. If you put E here, then it will become late. Late, late. If you are going to school, then lately it's not in. So if you are not going to school on time, then it will become a late. Okay, this is a late. L-A-T-E, late. This is a cut. Cut means cutting something. Okay, if you put E, then it will become cute. Cute doll or cute baby, isn't it? We will used to tell, no? Yes, this is a pal, P-A-L, pal. If you add E to here, that will become a pale, pale. If you not have enough strength, then our lips will become a pale. Pale means light, lightly. Okay, this is a mutt, mutt. If you put E here, then it will become a mute. Mute means silent. Okay, then this is a bit. This is a bit. If you put E, then it will become a bite. Okay, it will become a bite. This is a home. Home. If you put E, then it will become a home. You know what is meant by home? Yes. Okay, next children, this is a safe. Safe. If you put E, then will become a safe. In corona situation, we have to be very safe, isn't it, children? Okay, let's one more time. I'm telling children, listen carefully. We are going to add E to the each and every letter here given. Okay, if we add E, then we'll have its individual meaning and individual word. Fifth, 5. Rip, ripe. Sam, same. Lat, late. Cut, cute. Pal, pale. Mutt, mute. Bit, bite. Home, home. Safe, safe. Okay, children, we have added a E and we got the new word as well as we got the new meaning also. Did you understand, children? Let's go for a next one.